Want to star in fresh, eye-catching videos without spending hours on complex editing software? Today, this clever AI face swap tool replaces faces in videos while keeping every scene smooth and natural. It follows expressions, movement, lighting, and skin tones to make each swapped face look realistic. You can replace several faces in one clip, making group scenes, parodies, and stories more exciting. Your finished video keeps its original resolution, so every detail can stay sharp, clear, and vivid. There is no watermark, while MP4 MOV and WebM support opens the doors to your best creative ideas. Creators can make funny clips, fresh marketing videos, travel stories, and localized social content. Uploaded photos and videos are removed automatically, while your media is never used for AI. Training. A free account includes monthly credits, giving you an easy way to explore video faceplates. Swapping today. Click the link in the description and find out more about creating your next amazing face swap clip.